Hello and welcome back to Money Mastermind. Today we are exploring the future of meme coins and what this means for you. Now let's get started. But first, if you enjoy this content or anything related to investing, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now let's get straight into it. Meme coins, a recent phenomenon in the cryptocurrency landscape, refer to digital currencies inspired by internet memes or pop culture references. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are typically backed by technological innovations or specific use cases, meme coins often gain traction through online communities and viral marketing. The rise of meme coins has been enormous, with notable examples like Dogecoin capturing the attention of both crypto enthusiasts and the general public. These coins often start as light-hearted projects but can rapidly gain value and market capitalization fueled by social media hype and celebrity endorsements. The surge in meme coin popularity highlights the power of internet culture and collective enthusiasm in shaping the crypto market. This video aims to explore the future trajectory of meme coins among the dynamic landscape of cryptocurrency. By exploring their origins, appeal, challenges, and potential innovations, we seek to provide insights into what lies ahead for this exciting field. We aim to address questions surrounding the sustainability of meme coins, their impact on the broader crypto market, and the developing role they may play in the financial ecosystem. This exploration intends to inform investors, enthusiasts, and observers about the opportunities and risks associated with meme coins and their implications for the future of finance. Dogecoin, created in 2013 as a playful riff on the popular Doge meme featuring a Shiba Inu dog, marked the beginning of meme coins. Despite its origins as a joke, Dogecoin gained a dedicated following and community, achieving a market capitalization in the billions and becoming a symbol of internet culture's influence on the crypto market. Its success demonstrated the potential for meme-inspired projects to gather widespread attention and value. Meme coins owe their existence to the widespread influence of internet culture and memes, which have become an important part of online discourse and entertainment. The ability to tap into viral trends and engage with a broad audience through humor and relatability has proven to be a powerful formula for meme coins' popularity. Memes provide a vehicle for community building and promote the rapid distribution of information, driving the adoption and expansion of meme coins across social media platforms. Beyond Dogecoin, several meme coins have appeared, each with its unique narrative and community. Coins like Shiba Inu, SafeMoon, and Dogecoin's numerous spin-offs have captured investors' imaginations and generated substantial trading volumes. These success stories highlight the potential for meme coins to transcend their origins and establish themselves as legitimate players in the crypto market, although with varying degrees of longevity and sustainability. Meme coins offer a low barrier to entry for investors, enabling anyone with internet access to participate in the crypto market. Unlike traditional investments that may require extensive knowledge or capital, meme coins can be easily purchased and traded on popular cryptocurrency exchanges or decentralized platforms. This accessibility democratizes investment opportunities, allowing individuals from diverse backgrounds to engage with digital assets and potentially profit from market fluctuations. One of the defining characteristics of meme coins is their strong emphasis on community involvement and engagement. These projects often encourage lively online communities through social media platforms, forums, and dedicated chat groups. Community members actively contribute to the development and promotion of meme coins, sharing memes, organizing events, and advocating for their favorite projects. This communal support not only promotes the sense of belonging and camaraderie, but also fuels the growth and adoption of meme coins within the broader crypto network. While meme coins are inherently volatile, they present an opportunity for you to potentially achieve significant returns on your investment. The rapid price movements and unpredictable nature of meme coins can result in substantial gains for early buyers or savvy traders. Also, the hype and momentum generated by meme coins' viral marketing campaigns can attract speculative interest and drive up prices in a short period. However, it's essential to approach meme coin investments with caution and conduct thorough research to mitigate risks associated with market volatility. Meme coins are known for their extreme volatility and speculative nature, presenting both opportunities and risks for investors. Due to their reliance on internet culture and communal perception, meme coins can experience rapid price changes driven by social media trends, celebrity endorsements, or viral marketing campaigns. While this volatility may offer the potential for high returns, it also exposes you to significant losses if market sentiment shifts abruptly or if hype diminishes. Managing risk in meme coin investments requires a thorough understanding of market dynamics and a willingness to tolerate volatility. The regulatory landscape surrounding meme coins is complex and evolving, posing potential challenges for their long-term viability. Regulatory authorities worldwide are analyzing the cryptocurrency space, including meme coins, to ensure compliance with existing financial regulations and consumer protection laws. Concerns about investor protection, financial stability, and illicit activities such as fraud or money laundering may lead to increased regulatory oversight and enforcement actions. Compliance with regulatory requirements and navigating legal uncertainties are essential considerations for meme coin projects and investors alike. Meme coins, particularly those with smaller market capitalizations and liquidity, are susceptible to market manipulation tactics such as pump and dump schemes or coordinated social media campaigns. Whales, or individuals holding significant amounts of a meme coin, may exploit community enthusiasm to artificially inflate prices before selling off their holdings, causing sudden price crashes and losses for unsuspecting investors. Detecting and mitigating manipulation risks require careful monitoring of market activity and community dynamics, as well as implementing safeguards to protect against abusive practices. As meme coins continue to gain traction and recognition, there is a growing trend towards their integration into mainstream finance. Some meme coins are exploring partnerships with traditional financial institutions or payment processors to promote broader adoption and usage. Also, the acceptance of meme coins as a form of payment by merchants and businesses is expanding, further blurring the lines between meme coins and established financial systems. This marks a significant milestone in the evolution of meme coins from internet novelties to legitimate assets with real-world utility. The development of powerful environments around meme coins is driving innovation and diversification within the meme coin space. Projects are expanding beyond mere tokens to encompass decentralized applications, decentralized finance platforms, and non-fungible tokens built on meme coin blockchains. These environments encourage creativity and experimentation, allowing developers and entrepreneurs to explore new use cases and functionalities for meme coins beyond their initial meme-inspired origins. The expansion of meme coin networks enriches the user experience and strengthens the long-term sustainability of meme coins as versatile financial instrument. While memes remain a core component of meme coins' identity, there is a growing emphasis on exploring additional uses and value propositions beyond their meme appeal. Projects are innovating with features such as governance mechanisms, staking rewards, and integrating with other blockchain networks to improve usefulness and attract a broader user base. By diversifying their use cases, meme coins aim to establish themselves as viable investments and contributors to the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem, beyond their initial novelty factor. This shift towards utility-driven innovation underscores meme coins' maturation and adaptability in response to evolving market dynamics and investor preferences. The future of meme coins is subject to speculation and debate, with various predictions shaping expectations. Some analysts foresee continued growth and mainstream acceptance for meme coins, driven by their strong community support and innovative features. Others caution against the inherent risks and volatility associated with meme coins, warning of potential market corrections or regulatory crackdowns. Nevertheless, the consensus suggests that meme coins are here to stay, although with evolving dynamics and market conditions that may reshape their trajectory in the coming years. As meme coins mature, the culture surrounding them is likely to evolve, reflecting shifts in community norms, values, and priorities. While memes will remain a fundamental aspect of meme coin culture, there may be greater emphasis on governance, sustainability, and responsible investing practices. Communities may become more discerning in their support for meme coin projects, favoring those with genuine utility and long-term viability over fleeting trends or hype-driven speculation. This cultural evolution could promote a more resilient and mature ecosystem for meme coins, grounded in principles of transparency, inclusivity, and accountability. The rise of meme coins has already had a significant impact on the broader cryptocurrency market, influencing market sentiment, investor behavior, and regulatory inspection. As meme coins continue to expand and gain prominence, their influence on the crypto market is likely to grow, potentially shaping trends and dynamics across various sectors. Whether through innovative technologies, novel use cases, or shifts in investor preferences, meme coins have the potential to catalyze broader transformations within the crypto ecosystem, driving innovation and disruption in traditional finance. However, their impact may also invite greater regulatory analysis and market volatility, necessitating carefulness and adaptability from market participants. Throughout this exploration, we've explored the captivating world of meme coins, tracing their origins, analyzing their appeal, and contemplating their future trajectory. We've discussed how meme coins emerged from internet culture, gaining momentum through community-driven enthusiasm and viral marketing. Despite their speculative nature and regulatory challenges, meme coins offer accessibility, community engagement, and the potential for high returns. Moreover, we've observed the evolution of meme coins beyond memes, as they integrate into mainstream finance and develop robust ecosystems. Looking ahead, the future trajectory of meme coins appears dynamic and multifaceted. While market predictions vary, meme coins are expected to continue shaping the crypto landscape, with their culture evolving and their impact on the broader market expanding. As meme coin projects mature and innovate, they may redefine their role in the financial ecosystem, presenting both opportunities and challenges for investors and stakeholders. As meme coins continue to evolve, it's essential to approach them with caution, conducting thorough research and due diligence before investing. Also, staying informed about regulatory developments and market trends can help navigate the dynamic landscape of meme coins. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious observer, staying engaged and informed is crucial to making informed decisions and contributing to the responsible growth of meme coins and the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem. Thanks for watching Money Mastermind. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out other content for more crypto news. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on all our latest videos, and we'll see you in the next one.